So paano nga ba naging matatag si Marco? Una, he gave himself space to feel the pain. Hindi niya dinideny, hindi niya tinatakasan. Inamin niya sa sarili niya, this hurts. Pangalawa, tinanggap niya na it's not his job to fix his mother's decisions. Kung may consequences man yun, that's part of her choices. Kasi kahit anong gawin niya, he can't control kung paano maging magulang ang nanay niya. Pangatlo, he learned how to set boundaries. Unti-unti, tumigil siya sa pag-aako ng lahat. Not because he doesn't care, but because he also needs to take care of himself. Pang-apat, he redirected his time and energy back to his own life. Sa pag-aaral, sa future niya. He chose himself not because okay na siya, but because ayaw niyang mawala kung sino siya. At panghuli, he chose not to be bitter. Madali sanang magalit, to become cold, to mirror the pain he received. Pero hindi. Hindi niya hinayaang baguhin ng sakit kung sino siya. Pinili niyang manatiling grounded, not for his mother, but for himself. Kasi for Marco, staying strong doesn't mean you're not hurting. Minsan, it simply means choosing not to let the pain change the kind of person you want to be.